Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Let's continue with the next subtopic about 9.3 chemical properties. I'm going to divide my videos into several parts for the reaction of carbonyl compounds. First thing first, we are going to learn how the aldehydes and ketones can undergo nucleophilic addition because of its carbonyl group. So let's learn what is the key points that you have to know. So as you know that the functional for aldehydes and ketones is carbonyl group. So when you have carbonyl group, which is the structure is C bonded to oxygen. So C is the carbon, it must be bonded with double bond to oxygen, and we have two more bonds for carbon because carbon maximum should be 4 bonds. So next one, what we know here, this carbon double bond O is polar bond because we have difference in electronegativity between carbon atom and oxygen atom. So when we say about the electronegativity, you have to label carbon is electropositive and oxygen is electronegative. So the electron density at this bond will go towards the oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative. It makes that this carbon atom is electron deficient, less number of electrons. So when we want to determine what kind of reactive site is this, because of the polarity, this carbon double bond O is electrophilic site. So when it is electrophilic site, you are going to use nucleophile to attack this carbon atom because this carbon atom is electron deficient. So let's say I have nucleophile with negative charge. It's going to attack from nucleophile towards the carbon atom, and then this bond will be splitted towards oxygen. So you will have another arrow towards oxygen. So this is how nucleophilic attack happen. So you are going to split the bond between carbon and oxygen, and after that this carbon you will have addition of nucleophile to make it as 4 bonds. So once you attack here, you can see that this oxygen got extra electron. That's why the charge is negative. So when you have positive reagent, it will be attacked by oxygen minus here to get OH group. So you can see that this is how the nucleophilic addition reaction happen for carbonyl compound. You add nucleophile. That's why addition. The next part that you have to know is aldehydes are more reactive than ketone in nucleophilic addition. Why? Because we are going to take a look at two factors. The first one is steric factor and the second one is electronic factors. So untuk steric factor, this is the common word that you have known before because of presence of alkyl group. So let's say we have aldehyde with one alkyl group, but ketone we have 2 alkyl groups, either the same alkyl group or different, it doesn't matter, but you got 2 of it attached to the carbonyl carbon. So when we know that hydrogen in aldehyde is exist, hydrogen is smaller size compared to alkyl groups. So that's why this electron cloud here is smaller compared to alkyl group here. So that is how you want to explain about steric factor. Next one, if we talk about electronic factor is based on EDG and EWG. So EDG is electron donating group. We know that alkyl is the EDG. And then what you have here is hydrogen. Hydrogen is electron withdrawing group. So when you have electron withdrawing group like hydrogen in your structure of compound, this group will reduce the electron density in the molecule. That's why aldehyde has greater partial positive charge compared to ketone. So I believe that's all for our video today. I hope you can understand how the nucleophilic addition reaction happen for the carbonyl compounds. It is about the polarity of the bond between carbon and oxygen. So I hope you can understand well and try to do the tutorial question. You will get better. That's all from me. I will see you in the next video. Bye!